Today I will be reviewing as well as demonstrating how I use these products in my hair. So the first product that I am going to show to you and talk to you about is the Wow Skin Science Apple Cider Vinegar Shampoo. Yes, there is an apple cider vinegar shampoo, and this is the Shiznai. So I use it on my hair, and I will show you the before pictures here and then the after pictures, and as you can see, it's night and day with the product. So I showed you how I apply the product in my hair, and then I showed you my hair after. I'll also go ahead and remove my hat to show you my hair and the condition that my hair is in after I use the product. So I washed my hair 2 or 3 days ago. This shampoo, it has 300 milliliters or 10 fluid ounces, and it says here that it's made with 100% natural and raw Himalayan apple cider vinegar. So for this product, what I did with it is I applied it to my hair while my hair was dry, and the reason why I did that is because I wanted to see how the product worked. So I use it as like a dry shampoo or a pre-shampoo, poo, whatever, and it did work wonders. So after I did that one shampoo in, I didn't have to go in with another shampoo to get my hair clean. The only downside to it is that my hair was very dry, but I have the shampoo from Wow Skin Science, their coconut and avocado oil plus wheat protein conditioner, and I used this in my hair, and after I was finished, my hair was silky, it was soft, and it was not as dry as it was before. And the reason why my hair felt dry is because, if you guys know, what apple cider vinegar does is that it strips your hair of all the buildup, and so it also strips your hair of some of the oils, and it makes your hair very dry. And so to replenish the moisture that I lost, then I go in with the conditioner, and this is the same amount. It's 300 milliliters or 10 fluid ounces, and these products, they are hyperallergenic. They have no parabens, no sulfates, and you can purchase these products on Amazon, and I'll have a link in the information box below, or you could go directly to their website. I'll also go ahead and list it in the information box below if you are interested in purchasing it. Also use their 10-in-1 Miracle Hair Revitalizer, and this, I used it as my liquid in my LOC method, and this, they says here, it has 10 hair benefits. It says that it tames fizzing, it strengthens root, less split ends, improve lipid barriers, visible improved texture, dandruff control, hair breakage protection, hair fall control, high luster, intense hydration. And this, again, it is paraben free. There is no mineral oils in it, and it has nutrients in it. So for this product, it is of a liquid consistency. It's very liquidy, so I'll go ahead and spray. It's almost like water, so there's no oils in it. So if you use this in your locks, then you'll definitely need to go in with a oil to moisturize your hair. So my final thoughts on the products: I would recommend the products to you, especially the shampoo. If you don't buy any other products, I would highly recommend the shampoo. The shampoo is extremely good, and a little goes a long way. I put a lot on my hair and I regretted it. I was washing my hair continuously, and then my arms started hurting, and I went into the shower and I did it again and again and again because I used too much. A little goes a long way, and this product, I think, will serve you for a very long time. So it's worth investing in, especially if you do not want the messy route of putting the apple cider vinegar directly on your hair. You can go ahead and use this shampoo, and it will solve all your problems. Thank you so much for watching.